make $100 a day using just Google Ads. Is this possible? Is it something I should be doing? Is it something I could be doing? Well, in this video, no. In this video, I'm not going to break down how you can make $100 a day on Google Ads, but I want to start with a message I got from one of my viewers, and I'm seeing more and more and more of this type of message. Here's what he said. He says, I watched your videos online on YouTube. Just wanted to find out how much time I should devote to this. I can build websites and I was going to learn affiliate marketing as I have been told you can use Google Ads to make up to £100,000 a week. Is this possible using Google Ads? So of course I've anonymized who this person is to protect their identity. I'm sure they're watching this video now they've seen the title, but I'm going to tell you right now from the very outset of this video that I'm not going to teach you how to make $100 or more a day using Google Ads. And in fact, sorry for the bait and switch. Unfortunately, what I'm going to do is explain to you why this was a terrible question to ask in the first place. And hopefully, before you hit dislike, if you think you were clicking this video because you're going to get tips on how to make $100 a day, before you click dislike or close the video, you'll be thanking me by the end once I've gone through the whole of this video, because I could be saving you a lot of trouble. Now, as I say, this individual and others who have messaged me in this regard should try and make money online in a passive fashion using Google Ads or other marketing I discuss on the channel. I don't think it's their fault. It's not their fault, and the reason for that is if I go to YouTube right now and search for Google Ads, the results are going to be very, very mixed. There's going to be a distinct split between technical marketing knowledge and get-rich-quick starts of a funnel. Now, here's the problem. It's massive, and I'm going to jump on YouTube right now and show you. So here's a search result for Google Ads. I've just done a search for Google Ads, and as you go down the page, you can see there's tons of results, and the majority of people who are promoting Google Ads on the first page of Google, just for the simple search of Google Ads, it's not technical people, it's not marketers who are teaching techniques around Google Ads as their main cause. The main cause is passive income, get rich quick courses. Now, let's just click on this guy who's got 2 listings on the first page of Google for the term Google Ads. He's answered 2 very simple questions. What is Google Ads? And he's done a tutorial as well. I'm not calling into question the quality of the tutorial or the answer to the question. What I'm calling into question is the channel itself. So if I open a new tab for this channel and go over to it, what you will notice is that he is an Amazon FBA guy. He is a guy that's trying to get people to buy his course to sell on Amazon, which I won't go into, for there's a number of reasons covered in many other channels out there why this is a terrible idea and it doesn't work for the majority of people. It's very saturated. There are a ton of problems with this kind of system, but this person who searched for Google Ads online has now suddenly started watching videos from a guy selling get rich quick courses. That is a problem. I don't care if this person thinks I'm calling them out or anything like that. I'm a small YouTuber, I don't care. It's a case of understanding the problem I'm seeing with messages coming into my inbox about get rich quick, constantly trying to get passive income and chasing this magical unicorn of sitting back on a laptop with a beach in front of you with just a Wi-Fi connection and watching the money roll in. So I've just jumped back to the search results again because I want to mention something else as well. The biggest PPC channel on YouTube in terms of tutorials and tips and actual insight, Surfside PPC, who I watch and I subscribe to as well because they're a good channel, they aren't even on the first page of the YouTube search results for Google Ads, which is crazy because they are the biggest Google Ads only YouTube channel. Now, of course, I don't expect to be here as a small YouTuber. I mean, look at the views these videos are getting. It's not about me. It's about how people go to Google to find advice around a system and a product, and then they get sold a get-rich-quick scheme, and they think they can become an expert very quickly. Then after you go and see searches like this and people promoting Google Ads advice who are also selling get-rich-quick courses, then you also hit another problem. That is, you go down a rabbit hole. You start thinking, okay, I've searched for Google Ads and I'm looking for advice. Instead, I'm going to type in Google Ads, make money online or make money from home. You head over to results like this and oh my God, it's just full of people who are essentially trying to make money from you by tricking you that there are easy ways to make $100 a day on Google Ads. Now, I've watched many of these videos, and what I can see from a lot of them is they're essentially saying if you pass the Google Ads certification, then it guarantees you can get work on places like Upwork or Fiverr, and it guarantees you an income of $100 a day, which is kind of what they're saying. which is of course crazy because when your client turns around to you and you've just passed your Google Ads certification and they ask a technical question, then you're going to be in trouble. And not to mention how hard it is to find work on these platforms in the first place. All of these people on here are selling courses to show you how to make money online. Now, of course, as I said, I'm not going to go into why these courses aren't a good idea to take in the first place. I'm going to bring it back round to Google Ads. You see, the problem is the difference between technical, usable Google Ads advice for somebody wanting to be a professional in Google Ads, who either wants to make money for their business using Google Ads to sell something tangible, or those who work within a business as a marketer who want to get better at generating leads for their business, increasing their employment opportunities, increasing their performance in a job. Now, people who subscribe to me on my channel or who are on my email list, they're a mixture of people working in businesses, agency owners, people who work within agencies. So these are the kind of people I'm targeting with my kind of campaigns because, of course, they are the people who are technical, hands-on with Google Ads. The other side of the coin, unfortunately, are people who are using marketing tools like Facebook ads or Google ads, treating them as though they're something sexy that's going to make them loads of money in a very short period of time. There's a problem where people think that they can't just go on and learn a platform, take their time and understand the system, learn the ins and outs, take some losses, because that's a huge part of learning as well. I've taken losses over the years. I'm sure many of you out there have as well. So this is a huge problem. And because it's crossing over into the territory of Google Ads, which is a legacy marketing tool, and it's very much unsexy. If you've ever taken my PPC Accelerator, it's a useful course in understanding Google Ads, but it's not a sexy thing. I'm not telling you you're going to make thousands and thousands of pounds or dollars in a very short period of time. I'm just saying, here's how to use this system. And that is the problem. Too many people want to get rich quick, and it's spilling over into some of these specialty areas of marketing where people think that get rich quick course sellers are real technical marketers when they're not. They've got great technical marketing teams, they're great salespeople, but unfortunately, if you want to get hands-on and learn how to become a true digital marketer, it's going to take blood, sweat and tears, a lot of learning, a lot of losses, and a lot of discovering features within very complicated systems. And that is the problem. People are too quick to try and get rich quick. It's spilling over into Google Ads, so this video should serve as a warning. Please, if you see anybody promoting Google Ads as a vehicle to get rich quick with affiliate marketing or with anything in terms of drop shipping, Amazon FBA, anything like that, then please heed this warning. It's not going to work for you. There's a reason these course sellers don't publish their results or their details of their students in terms of their results, because they don't get results. The only person getting the results is the person selling the course. So be aware, and unfortunately this video is not going to teach you how to make $100 a day, but hopefully you heed this warning. Now, I know most of my subscribers are technical marketers, so I'm hoping that you will listen and understand this. This video is really for people who go to Google and perform searches like the one I showed you. So help this video rank by liking it. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the other content across my channel. Apologies for the rant. Tons of content coming up later in terms of technical marketing and some of the new things happening within the digital space. But apart from that, I'll see you guys on my next video.